Hello everyone, welcome to Jaya Sharma YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to explain you about modifying an Excel worksheet. So the first thing which I want you all to know about moving and copying data in an Excel worksheet. So now I am talking about moving and copying, right? Now I am talking about moving, right? See, I am writing here moving spelling, which is moving. Okay, so I want to move this data. So here it is in a P column. Now I want to move this moving into R column. So how I have to move? I have to place my cursor on the top left corner. So I get 4 arrows like this. So I need to put cursor here and I have to move my hand using the cursor. See, I want to place this box in R row, so that's why where I'm just adjusting myself. So here I want to place, not R, I want to place this in M column. So I'm just placing here. See, this is moving. How we have to move? We have to place our cursor on the top left corner. We'll get 4 arrows like this and we have to catch it and we have to move to the place we want to place that, where we want to place that. So this is about moving. And the next is about copying. I want to tell, so I want to copy this data, I want to paste near average. So what I'll do here is Control plus C and I want to paste here. See, the data got pasted. So what is the shortcut key here I am using is Control plus C. Okay, so this is for copying. So you got to know about moving and copying data in Excel worksheet. Okay, and the next process is about cutting. So cutting means we have to cut the data in this cell and particular row and we have to paste it in some other cell and row. Okay, so here I'm just putting Control X and where I want to paste here under the copying. So Control V. See, you can find the data. So for copying means our data will be existed on both sides, but for cutting the data will be existed where you will paste the data. So this is about cutting. So again I'm just placing it on the same place. What is the shortcut key for cutting the data is Control plus V is the shortcut. So these are the modifying ways on Excel worksheet. See, now we are done with moving, copying and cutting. Now I want to you all know about inserting and deleting rows and columns. So inserting columns, so I want to insert a column after J. See, if you observe here, there are 2 rows, two columns between average and sum, right? Now I want to add one more column between this average and sum. So what I have to do is I have to highlight this J entire column and I have to right click and I have to right click on the mouse and then click on insert. So if you observe, 1 column, 2 column, 3 columns. So 3 columns I got. Okay, now I want to delete this column. Okay, so what I have to do, right click on your mouse and click on delete. So the column where you will highlight that column will get deleted. Okay, so where you want the column to add, so then you have to click on and select the entire column and click on this insert. Okay, so you'll get column. If the shortcut keys you want to know about inserting and deleting column is Control plus will be the inserting and Control plus minus will be the deleting of column. Okay, Control plus minus will be the deleting of column. yeah, deleting of column. So these are the ways to moving, cutting and inserting, deleting of rows and columns. Okay, changing the width and height of the cells. Now I want to tell you, because if you see here, I have written a big spelling which is difficult to arrange this, where if you overlook this, you can find that it is occupying two cells, but actually we can adjust in Excel in one row by double clicking between I and J, because I have written my text in I column, so I have to adjust this, so you can find that in a single cell. So keep the cursor in the middle of I and J and double click on this. See, this is how you have to arrange the height and width of the cell. In the same way, if you want to arrange this rent in school also, you have to keep the cursor in the middle of 10 and 11 and you have to double click on it. It will adjust, but although here the spelling, the cell is already adjusted, so that's why no need to change in this. So this is how you have to like arrange the height and width of the cells by double clicking in the middle of the columns or rows. Okay, so now I wanna tell you is about hiding and unhiding rows and columns, where I'm just selecting this complete row and I'm just right clicking on my mouse and just clicking on hide, so I cannot see that. So this is how I hide the row. Now again I just want to unhide my row. Again I need to click and I need to click on unhide. So unhide here, click, right click, unhide. Oh, it is not possible, right? Let's give another try with a row. We'll do it. Okay, now rent, you're seeing right now I want to hide this 10th row. Okay, we'll hide this. Just a minute. Right clicking on my mouse and then click on hide. See, now I want to unhide this row. What I'll do, I'll go to this home tab, where I'll go to this cells library and this format and click on this visibility, where we can find the unhide rows. See, it is opened. Yeah, now it is unhided. In the same way I want to do it for the rows. Okay, for the average row, which is H, I want to hide this. So click on your mouse, right click and click on hide. So it got hided. Now how? And the same, yeah, let's give it a try. I'm not sure whether it will work or not, so just click on it and then visibility and unhide columns. Yeah, it is working. So this is how you have to hide and unhide the rows and columns. Okay, no, now you'll be having a question, so what is the purpose of hiding? So everybody if can easily unhide if this option is there. There is only one option that you can do is that somebody should not know which column you hided is. Just go to this view and click this just click on this heading, so you can hide this rows and columns headings, so other person cannot know which row or which column you hided. So this is the way you can do. If not, you can put on your headings. Okay, yes, now you know about hide and unhide, right? Let me write here. I don't know where okay, and next I want to tell you renaming the sheet or naming the sheet. Okay, see here, these are the sheets. If you find here sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, so I want to rename it as student 1, student 2, student 3. Okay, this you can right click on your mouse and then you can type it as student, student 1. If not, you can double click on it so that you can change it into, in the sheet 2 I haven't typed yet, so it is student 2. Okay, so this is how you have to name your sheets. And next thing about these sheets is I want to move this student 1 sheet, and I want to place after sheet 3. Now I have to drag this. Oh, 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 just a minute. Yeah, sheet 3 I want to place here, so I'm just dragging using my mouse and then placing here. This is how you have to arrange your sheets in order if you want to make your work easier. Okay, now you all understand. So these are the ways we modify the Excel. So if you have any doubts in this video, you can text and comments. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And if you want more videos, please comment below. And if you want any new topics, please comment below, so we'll try to explain those new topics, and even it's helpful for me to learn. Yeah, bye bye.